Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 7 and its title is Climate Change. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So our today's lecture, lecture number 7, we will learn about punctuation in writing. That how we can use different punctuation marks while writing anything else that we are writing, sentences, dialogue, anything that we are writing. So how we can use punctuation marks. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, already you have learned about punctuation, capitalization. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again on page number 5. Okay. So our today's student learning outcome is write sentences of their own using correct capitalization, punctuation and spelling. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, so look at this. Okay, so see that. Can you recognize all these? Yes, my dear teacher. Pause the video and get these all from students can name them. Name them to your teacher. Be quick. Welcome back. I hope these are familiar to you. Okay, so let's see which are these marks. Oh yes, now there are names. This mark is called what it is? Yes, exclamation. Good. And this mark, full stop, comma and question mark, semicolon, colon, slash and quotation marks. So these are punctuation marks, my dear students. Few marks are there like semicolon and slash. Few marks are also there. Then we will get about these marks in our next level. So today we are going to get about these marks. Okay. So see there, what is punctuation? Punctuation is the use of symbols such as full stops, periods, commas, question marks, or quotation marks to divide written word into meaningful sense. So my dear students, punctuation marks are very compulsory. Without these marks, we cannot get a sense of the word. We cannot get a message that we can get from our written words. We cannot find, because due to punctuation marks, these punctuation marks give a complete sense to a sentence. How we can see there. Read that. Can you read that? Okay, read all that. Asher is one of the most laid back people I know. He's tall and slim with black hair and he always wear a t-shirt and black jeans. His jeans have holes in them and his baseball boots are stuffy too. He really sits. No, can you get, my dear students, see there? No, nothing. We don't know where we have to get break. We don't know where is full stop. We don't know where is question mark, quotation mark, or colon, nothing else. We don't know at all. Yes, so can you get any sense? No, because there is no punctuation mark is there. So these marks are very compulsory. Now let's see in other slide how we can, yes, now see that. Yes, Ashir, now you can judge that A is capital because capitalization is there and first letter is always capital. Now we can read. Now read with me. Asher is one of the most laid back people I know. Now we have to get break. He is tall and slim with black hair and he always wears a t-shirt and a black jeans. Now see there is a pause, short pause because there is comma. His jeans have holes in them and his baseball boots are scruffy too. Got it? He usually sits at the back of the class and he often seems to be asleep. However, when the exam results are given out, always gets an A1 grade, A grade. I don't think he's as lazy as he appears to be. So have you got that? Now we can get a complete sense of a paragraph, of a writing. How we can get complete sense? Due to punctuation marks and capitalization. So have you got that? These punctuation marks are very compulsory and very necessary. Okay, my dear students, have you got? Good. So now we are moving towards an activity. Okay, now we will get through an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do? Make pair of students. Give them character of a doctor and a patient. Okay, and practice dialogue given on book page number 57 in question number 11. So my dear teacher, what you have to do? You have to get pair of students and give them character. Two characters are there. One will be doctor and one will be patient. Okay, and they will practice dialogue. Dialogue is given on question number 11 on page number 57. So there is a dialogue, my dear students. Patient, doctor. Perform this activity in your class and enjoy. I am waiting for you, and then come back. So welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed while performing this activity. So what patient was saying? A patient, doctor, I couldn't hear anything. What patient said? That I couldn't hear anything at all. So what doctor is saying? For how long you have been facing to the problem? Patient, it started just 1 week ago. Doctor, don't worry, you will be perfectly all right. Patient, how do you know this? Doctor, because you answered to all my questions. Wow, even he can't listen, but he answered all questions of the doctor. Got it? Because he was saying that I couldn't hear anything at all. Wow, so interesting dialogue was. I hope you have enjoyed too. Good. So what's your homework? Discuss with your father about his daily routine activities and write them in the shape of a dialogue in your notebook. So what you will do? You will discuss with your father. So what does he do in the whole day about activity, and this whole discussion you will write into your notebook in the shape of a dialogue. So you can copy that dialogue, how that dialogue is being written in your book. Okay, so this is your homework for today. So yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students and see how they can use punctuation marks into different writings. So what we have learned today? We have covered today about the use of correct capitalization, punctuation and spelling in a dialogue. And in this way, we have covered up our this SLO, my dear students, and we have done a good job. So I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot, because there was a dialogue and was interesting dialogue. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.